So I just ate dinner and I arrived safe in East London. So I'm just taking a bath because this room is so cold. It is so cold. So I just put on my mask and then I'm gonna take a nice warm bath. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna call it a night. Then yeah, we'll catch up tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because I will actually be working, so we shall see if I do manage to vlog. But I don't think I'm not gonna pressure myself because I literally have to work tomorrow. So I'll show you guys fit check. I'll show you guys like the outside of this hotel, how it looks like. I'll wake up in the morning and then I'll just give you a nice tour of how the place looks like outside. Take a nice video for you guys. I'm gonna call it a night, but the man's just gonna call any second now, so I'll probably just sit in the tub and catch up, and then I am calling it a night. So for now, let me just take a bath and enjoy my own company. For now. I shop it at enough, guys. I'm gonna be late. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. So I am done for the day. I am done with everything. I'm just waiting to catch my flight back to Johannesburg, to Gauteng. I am so exhausted. My boss just left to go just do something by ShopRite, so I'm just sitting in the car because it is so flaming hot and I don't want to be exposed to the sun, so I'm just gonna sit in the car. Guys, I had a fruitful day. I had a fruitful trip. I'm not gonna vlog anything going back because I'm going back home. There's nothing there to vlog about, so I'm gonna close my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you've reached at this part of my video, I do hope you enjoyed, and I even forgot to do like a proper drip check, guys, but you probably have seen the video where I was just, I don't know, I was like, there was like a fan moment. I felt like a celebrity. But guys, I look so gorgeous today. Like even the men's was like, oh yeah, guy or chamamang when you're looking like this and I'm nowhere on site. I'm like, nigga, relax yourself. So nonetheless, I'm done. I was just coming for one night actually. So our flight is very late. It's like 6:15, and right now it's like almost 10 to 4. So we have like 2 hours to spare, but we are going to be working within the 2 hours. So I'm not going to vlog anything. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Please do give me a brown heart in the comment section, because today I look like a brown sugar cane. I look like brown sugar today. I was so sweet and born a succulent on period. So I'm gonna close the vlog, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, to comment down below in the comment section. Give me a brown heart. Give me a lot of brown hearts if you thought that I was looking smashing hot. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe Bonnie. Please help your girl get to 2K subscribers by the end of the year. Hopefully much earlier than that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. That is it from me.